So today we're in a truck. It's cold. It's in the 40s. I know some of you are in really cold areas. But here in Maryland, you know, it's in the 40s and the wind's blowing. That makes it even more cold. I really hate winter. If I haven't said that, and I know I have. So we're gonna put this on here that we got earlier and cleaned it all up. Put the trim shine on it and make it look like new, and it does look like new. Here's the bottom piece, you know, just like that, and that's how it goes. So also the key for the truck here, that starts the truck, that gets you in the left door, and that's the one that's missing that gets you in the right door. So who can't get in the right door? All right, so the heck with that. Brand new set, one key, lock cylinder, door locks, good to go. So what you gotta do with this mess is there's a pin that holds this in. So what you do is you put the key in. Where'd the key go? I never find the keys to this dumb truck. There we go. And you turn it to on. All right, then you're gonna pop this, and I got a piece I gotta fix here. I'm just gonna glue it in. I think it'll be fine. It's some kind of a ground, and it's got a piece broke off it, so it won't stay. Okay. Under here, right there, if you can see that hole where this is going, I hope you can. You gotta push up on that once you have it in, and I'm gonna have to put the camera down because obviously it takes 3 hands here to use this camera and to pull this out. Let's see what we get. And let's see, doesn't like to come out, to tell you the honest truth. I've had it out before and it's kind of a pain. Just want it to on. I've got the battery unhooked so that it won't start. And okay, I see people just go, no, it's not that easy. All right, so once you get that out, so yeah, that's what you got right there, and that's where it goes into. Yep. So trying to get this light where you can see it. So what you have is that little square up in there is where that goes. And that is what turns the ignition on and off. This is what locks the whole thing. So, all right, having said that, we're gonna put this other thing on here. All right, now we're gonna put this on. All right, it'll actually snap together, but first thing we're gonna get the top on, and I'm gonna just kind of get it around there. It's kind of tricky to get in there, but you know, I sort of gotta just finagle it and push it a little bit till right there. And hold on, before I go any further, I'm gonna get a little super glue. I'm gonna fix that. All right, this is the right way to fix this. Obviously, the answer to that is no. But yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so this little piece right here, it goes nice and neatly right into, now you want just like that. But it has a clip on the inside, it holds it. The clip is now broke, so it's tied into this whole wiring harness. So what I'm going to do is I'll get a new, one day I will snatch one of these out of a junkyard and just solder it in there, and then we'll put a brand new one on. This is where the clip was. It was on this side. I think this is obviously a ground, but we'll make it fit. So meanwhile, that ain't the way to do this. But you know what? When you got an old vehicle like this, do what you gotta. Now I don't want this going everywhere, so let me just. Come on now. There you go. Get poked a hole in there. Yeah. Now. All right. It's there. I'm gonna put just a tab on here. This is metal, so I'm gonna bend it in. There. I just want a little bit. Just come on now, cooperate. Okay, just up at the end. I never like working with this stuff. It works, but don't really like working with it. Come on. There's all kinds of bubbles in here. I can't get the actual glue. Just keep getting bubbles. Wow. This tube's like half full. Still getting bubbles. Come on. And it's running down and sticking on my fingers, and I absolutely hate that. It just went everywhere. Yep. Get it in there. And we're gonna hold it for 60 seconds. Alright, that's it. So make sure I don't have any glue on the inside here. Shouldn't. Yeah. A little bit of glue is just what I need to gum up my brand new key set. That would definitely aggravate the crap out of me. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, let's get this wrapped around here now that I got that glued in. And you got to get it over that. That's the release for your key. Alright, let's get that on. Now, if you notice, right here, there's a hole that this is a screw hole, this is a screw hole. This hole here, you don't have to take this whole mess off to get that key out. That's where you put your little, whatever you're going to use to poke the little button in. I'm using this Allen key here that seems to fit up in the hole pretty good. And then when it's underneath, you can just do that to get your key, to get the lock cylinder out. There is your little button you got to push. So, all right, let's open up the new one, and it comes even with a new Ford key. Ain't that nice? I mean, key fob. There's one of these. These things don't want to come open. Serious bags. There we go. That. Actually, I'm not going to do that yet. Let's put these screws in. Okay. Yep. Uno, dos, tres. 3 of them. Right there. So, first, get back there and get it on the right way. That ain't the right way. That's the right way. That ain't the right way. It was the right way. There we go. That was the right way. Yeah. Get that on there. This piece is, yeah, it's staying in there nice. Okay. All right. And I'll get that working back in there like that. And get it here. Nice thing is that it will snap together. Like that, sort of. There. And hold for you a little bit. You can now put screws in. Okay, and go straight up here. And hope that I hit the hole. That feels like a winner. Yeah, it's tightening up now. There you go. It's plastic. Don't go crazy with it. Easily strip it. That's old plastic. It came out of a junkyard. So it's as old as this truck, because it came out of a truck this old, maybe older. What the heck is that? Something on my screen. I don't know what the heck it is. I had that all clean. Well, let's get this in here. And come on, you. And I think this one is slightly stripped, to tell you the honest truth. So hopefully that'll hold it. Seems to be all right. And one on the bottom, right here. That breeze was enough to shake the truck. Yep. Okay. I'll get that last screw all screwed up in there. And I heard that pop into place. That was nice. The little pop was just, that was the plastic going together the way it's supposed to. Done. Okay. Now let's get the new key out of here. All right. Lock cylinder key, the whole deal. What up, you? Being difficult. Make this hole a little bit bigger. There we go. That. All right. Caution. Lock cylinder is shipped ready for installation. Do not rotate the key clockwise. Unlock cylinder. So basically, this is telling you that it's ready to go, and that don't mess around with it. Just go ahead and install it, because people like to, and I'm one of them. People like to grab this and turn it and kick it out and see what they got, and oh, isn't that cool? Don't do it. Just put it in. And our little button is okay. Hold the phone. All right, what do we got here? There's the button. That's why this one's so difficult, I bet. That seems like that's the button. I'm gonna take a wild guess and and say that once I turn it, that button will come back out. Let's see. And so what I'm finding here, I'm not sure if this is right for this car, for this truck. It looks identical, but I wonder if somebody rotated this cylinder. I don't know. Definitely doesn't look exactly the same. That is definitely where the button is. It looks totally opposite. It says 1992. It said 95 to 92, or 92 to 95 on the thing. Not a bad feeling about this. And we'll turn it. Seems to be in. Key came out. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it locked. Backwards, forwards. Turn that. Then it goes to. I'm back. There. And it comes out. I think I can't. Too many things are taken apart under the hood for me to put the battery in right now. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to test this later. Hopefully tomorrow. But at any rate, it did work. I questioned it, but yeah, it's here. It's in. It looks good. And these will, when I get to the doors, go in the doors. We'll be in good shape. Okay. It's tomorrow, 2 months ago. Anyway, it's not 45 degrees anymore. It's 35 degrees. Even colder, but the wind's blowing. It's still cold, but the battery's back in the truck. So let's see now. Will it start? Did this key work? All right, we'll pop the clutch in here, and there's what I'm talking about. All right. So we got it. Engine's running, keys in, everything's fine. Door locks work. We're good to go. So I can at least get a video out because it's getting a little tough to get videos out because it's cold. And like you know, I don't have a garage, so hopefully I'll get one out every week. If something happens that I can't get one out every week, I will. Once the weather clears up a little bit, we'll start getting them out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like what you see, go ahead, click subscribe and like and share it out. All right. See you next time.